Using EBT on Walmart Pay is a convenient way to make purchases with your electronic benefits transfer card through the Walmart mobile app. To get started, you need to have a Walmart account and the Walmart app installed on your mobile device. First, open the Walmart app and sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Services section and select Walmart Pay. Next, add your EBT card to Walmart Pay by selecting Add Payment Method and choosing EBT as the card type. You will be prompted to enter your EBT card details, including the card number and expiration date. After adding your EBT card, you can use it to make purchases through the Walmart app. To do this, navigate to the Walmart Pay section and select the EBT card as your payment method. You can then add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, make sure to select EBT as your payment method and enter your PIN to complete the transaction. You can also split your payment between EBT and another payment method, such as a credit or debit card, if you need to purchase items that are not eligible for EBT. It is essential to note that not all items are eligible for purchase with EBT. So make sure to check the eligibility of each item before making a purchase. You can do this by looking for the EBT eligible label on the item's product page or by contacting Walmart customer service. Best practices for using EBT on Walmart Pay include keeping your EBT card information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and only purchasing eligible items by following these steps and best practices. You can use your EBT card conveniently and securely through the Walmart app.